Hello and welcome to Jury Research Academy's YouTube channel. As you all know that your exam of CLAT PG is right around the corner. It's on 3rd December 2023 and there are around 30 days left for your preparation. So in this video, we will be talking about what should be your strategy for these last 30 days. What are the do's and don'ts that will decide whether you succeed in this exam or not. So let's start this video and see what is the first thing that you guys should be doing. So the first important thing is that you should be revising these subjects in detail again and again. As you know that all competitive exams are a matter of smart strategy, a smart preparation, and they require constant revision. So you need to make sure that in these last 30 days you are revising constitution and administrative law, jurisprudence, PIL, IPC, commercial laws, that is Indian Contract Act and the Companies Act, and family law, because these are the areas which will constitute around 70 to 80% of your exam paper, and that is why they require in-depth revision in your last 30 days. Now, if you need some help with this, we will be starting free YouTube live classes for all these major subjects that I just talked to you about. These classes will be starting from 1st November 2023. So you can come, join, ask your doubts, revise your concepts, and get everything clarified in these free YouTube live classes. Now, coming to the second important thing you should be doing, these subjects have to be revised in brief because CLAT syllabus is huge and it is not possible for you guys to cover everything in the last 30 days. So you should be focusing on CRPC and evidence law, only the important topics. Not everything, because these are huge procedural laws and it is not possible to cover them in entirety. So only the important parts which have been asked in the exam and which have a possibility of being asked, only those should be covered. Next comes environmental law, then IPR, torts and labor law. So all these subjects have to be covered in very, very brief. You do not need to get into too many details of it, especially subjects like labor law, taxation, etc. Now coming to case laws. As you know that case laws are a very important part of CLAT exam now. And in the last 30 days, what you need to be doing is that you need to only refer to the case laws in brief, because now is not the time to waste by reading full judgments from the actual case and going through each and every paragraph. You only need to first of all focus on important judgments, the list for which you can find on our YouTube channel. We have a playlist dedicated to this. You can go through it to see what are the important judgments, and from those judgments also you only have to prepare in a summary manner. Lastly, of course, you need to revise these judgments so that you are able to retain them. Now, if you need help with this, we have launched a CLAT PG prep kit, which includes a casebook which has all the important judgments with their summary included from 2017 to 2023, and you also get a mock book in which you can practice mocks on pen and paper. So if you're interested in buying this, you can check it out from the link in the description. Now coming to mock test. Now mock test solving is also very important. Like any other competitive exam, you need to practice on the pattern of that exam. So you need to start practicing as many mock tests as possible on the recent pattern. And not only this, but you have to analyze your performance as well with respect to how you are performing compared to other candidates, as well as you also have to review your mistakes as to why are you not scoring good, what are the areas in which you are committing negative marking. So all these things have to be done, which will eventually help you in increasing your accuracy and in also improving your time management skills. Now, if you need help with this, we have CLAT PG as well as AILET PG online mock tests available, the link for which is in the description box. So this is how you can prepare for the last 30 days for CLAT PG examination. Wishing you all the best for your exam. If you have any queries, drop them in the comment section. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.